Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install recessed lights. What we're going to do first, we're going to put some tape on the ceiling to have a rough idea on where to install the lights. We're going to do a little measurement and then we're going to call the customer to confirm if the location is okay to go. After that, we decided to move the lights a little bit, remeasure again, make sure everything is squared off. We're going to cut the holes with a hole saw and a catcher for the dust. We don't want to make any dust in the house. After that, we're going to cut a hole above the switch to be able to run the wire from the first light to the switch. We're cutting a big enough hole to be able to put a drill up in the attic, up in the ceiling, and then after that we are running the wire from the switch to the first light. No problem with that. From the first to the second, from the second light to the third, and then from the third to the fourth. The problem is from the third to the fourth we can run the wire, so what we did was decided to run the wire from the first light to the last one. Once the wire is in, we are using flat canless lights. We don't install cans in this situation. The lights are 5-color adjustable. The customer decided to go with 2700, I believe, if not, it's possible 3000. A very nice soft light. Once the dimmer is installed, the lights are working. We are closing the hole. We're not patching the hole, we're just closing the hole. And then after that we're cleaning and the room looks nice and bright. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.